Alright, time for some toast. Crap, I am out of bread. Better head to Slurpee Mart. What? They're out of bread too? Might as well get bagels instead.
Hey toilet man.
Triblaster. Nice to see you here. What, are you here to try to replace me? Oh wait. You have puny horns. You couldn't possibly take me out.
Why would I want to take you out? I'm not gay. Besides, why would anyone want to date you anyway? You look like a toilet.
Hey.
Triblaster, stop bullying him.
Thank you.
Go to hell. You first.
Don't even think about shipping us. I'm not gay either.
Where am I?
You're on a target. And I'm gonna shoot you with arrows.
Oh no!
Gay learner. Sup?
Triblaster was being a so I stuck him on a bullseye and tortured him.
You mean a bullseye?
Oh yeah, I'm in the bullseye.
Oh, that's so funny.
What up, guys?
Holy 3T22 and Federal Code. We were just talking about how a learner tortured Triblaster after he picked on him.
Oh my god, that's hilarious.
I know, right?
Yeah, comedy gold.
Yeah, bravo learner.